अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम लिखना और पढ़ना सीखेंगे मजमून आ काओ। COW काओ। IS is a PET pet. A NINE MAL animal. Cow is a pet animal. IT eat. IS is a COW cow. It is a cow. IT eat. IS is MY COW cow. It is my cow. IT S its COLOUR color. IS is BROWN brown. Its color is brown. IT eat. HIS has FOUR for LEGS legs. It has 4 legs. IT eat. HIS has TWO2 EYES eyes. It has 2 eyes. IT eat. HIS has TWO2 ERS ears. It has 2 ears. IT eat. HIS has a TRIL tail. IT eat. GIVES gives. MILK milk. It gives milk. ILIKE like. IT eat. VERY very. MUCH much. आई लाइक इट वेरी मच। आज हमने लिखना और पढ़ना सीखा है काओ का मजमून 10 लाइन्स स्पेलिंग के साथ। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको मेरी आज की वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। मज़ीद ऐसी वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।